Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. A new paper trending on X, which was published just 2 days ago, on May 20th, 2026, challenges the assumption that pre-training powerful large language models requires millions of dollars in compute. This paper is titled HRM-Text, Efficient Pre-training Beyond Scaling. The core breakthrough is a 1 billion parameter model, trained from scratch on only 40 billion unique tokens for $1,500. Which performs competitively with models up to 7 times its size. This method avoids brute force scaling by using a hierarchical recurrent model, which is a brain-inspired architecture that separates high-level strategic planning from fast, step-by-step token execution. As we will see, the training objectives and unique stabilization tricks are what really make this dramatic efficiency possible. Alright, Figure 1 illustrates this efficiency by comparing performance against compute and data scale. The top plots compare benchmark scores to training flops, which measure total computational work. The blue star for HRM-Text sits far to the left, meaning it achieves competitive accuracy with up to 400 times less compute. Finally, the bottom bar charts highlight how this model outperforms larger baselines on difficult reasoning tasks like math and drop. That efficiency is rooted in the structure of the model itself. Figure 2 diagrammatically details the 4 main pillars of the architecture. On the far left, Panel A displays the dual timescale recurrent structure, which combines 3 fast execution L modules with 1 slow strategic H module per cycle. Next, Panel B details how magic norms stabilizes training. Finally, Panel C and D illustrate the gated self-attention mechanism and the prefix language model mask, which allows bidirectional attention over instructions. Well, Figure 3 provides empirical proof of how these design choices improve response generation. Panel A shows that training exclusively on response tokens significantly reduces the response loss. Next, Panel B reveals that attention softmax entropy, which measures how widely a model distributes its focus, is consistently higher with prefix LM masking. Finally, the attention maps in Panel C confirm that prefix LM enables global bidirectional interactions, whereas causal attention remains highly localized. Table 1 directly compares these architectural designs against standard baselines under a strictly matched training compute budget. Looking at the top row, the 1 billion parameter HRM model outperforms all other designs, including looped and standard transformers across every single benchmark. Even when compared to the larger 3 billion parameter transformer baselines at the bottom, the HRM model achieves substantially higher accuracy while using the exact same amount of training compute. Table 4 expands this evaluation by comparing the 1 billion parameter HRM-Text model directly against much larger, widely used open-weight models. Looking at the computational footprint columns near the left, we see training data tracked in trillions of tokens and total floating point operations, which represent the individual mathematical calculations performed by computer chips during training. The HRM-Text model uses only 0.06 trillion tokens and a tiny fraction of the compute compared to other models. Despite this extremely small budget, the performance columns on the right show that the HRM-Text model outperforms models like Llama 3.2 and Gemma 3 on key reasoning benchmarks. Table 4 demonstrated competitive accuracy, and Figure 4 now explains why by analyzing the model's effective depth, which measures how much unique computation occurs across layers. In Panel A, the hierarchical recurrent model maintains high layer-to-layer variation because its internal representations continue to evolve. Moving down, Panel B displays blockwise cosine similarity, showing that the hierarchical recurrent model avoids the oversmoothing seen in the looped transformer. In conclusion, HRM-Text proves that co-designing specialized architectures with targeted training objectives can dramatically slash the resources needed for pre-training. This breakthrough democratizes large language model research, showing that high-performing systems are achievable without massive industrial compute. And that's a wrap. I'm Alex from the AI Research Roundup. Thanks for tuning in.